Dear students, let us solve a problem which is a practical one. Here is a piece of a bangle. We want to find the radius of that full bangle. How to find? Some measurements are given. Distance between the ends of a piece of a bangle is 4 centimeter and its height is 1 centimeter. We want to find the radius of a full bangle. So for that we have to draw a circle to fulfill the full of a bangle. The radius of that bangle is what? Here this one is a radius. We have to do that. That radius is here. Here is a radius. This one, center to this point, radius. This also be a radius. This point to this point is a radius. Now that radius divides this line. This line, how can? This line is a distance between two endpoints. Divides the endpoints into two equal parts. How? We already know that a distance from center to this chord bisect the chord into two equal parts. You already learned about. So here is a center D. A distance from center to this one is taken as a chord. Consider when we consider the circle, this will be taken as a chord. This distance is taken as chord. So this chord circle distance divides the chord into two equal parts, so that this 2 centimeter, this also be 2 centimeter. Now this length, this small distance is taken as a r minus 1. Why? This radius is r and distance from or the height of the piece of bangle is 1 centimeter. So remaining distance is r minus 1. Okay. So this will be taken as a radius. So we will get, so the taking the radius of a bangle to be r, then we will get a right triangle. Triangle. This right triangle. What are the perpendicular sides? Perpendicular sides are 2 centimeter and r minus 1, and this r is taken as a hypotenuse of a right triangle. This also be r. This will be hypotenuse of a right triangle. Okay. So let us take that right triangle here. This right triangle here. Now find the relation. We know the relation. What is that? Hypotenuse square minus base square is equal to altitude square. Pythagorean principle. That Pythagoras says that hypotenuse square minus base square is equal to altitude square. Using this relation, we get r square. What is r square? This r square is hypotenuse square, r square, minus r minus 1 square. What is r minus 1 square? this table taken as a base square or altitude square or base square. Here r minus 1 square is equal to this 2 square 4. So r square minus r minus 1 whole square is taken as bracket, put into bracket, r minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 using this relation. R square minus, what is r minus 1 whole square? R square a minus b whole square. We already learned in the identities. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, like this. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is r minus 1 whole square is r square minus 2r plus 1. Put into bracket is equal to 4. R square minus r square, minus into minus, this will be taken as plus 2r, minus into plus, minus 1. Okay, so r square minus r square plus 2r minus 1 is equal to 4. What is r square minus r square? 0. So the remaining is 2r minus 1. 2r minus 1 is equal to 4. 2r is equal to 4 plus 1. 2r is equal to 5. R is equal to 5 by 2. The half of 5. That is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Also, this one is radius of bangle is a full bangle is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you.